Okay, so welcome to the first of our Microbit tutorials for this scheme of work. In this topic you're going to be doing a whole host of coding using the various functions and components that are available within the Microbit, but first of all we need to understand where to go in order to be able to program our Microbit. So I've gone to the website www.microbit.org. On this website there's a whole host of projects that you can see and you can copy from and utilize to try and extend your learning as much as possible. But we're going to go to the Let's Code button first of all in order to see the various editors that we have available in Microbit. So as you can see, we've got a Python editor that we can use to program our Microbit, a block editor, JavaScript editor, and touch develop editor. For this project we're going to be using the block editor. So I'm going to click start with this editor and we're going to send a very simple program to our Microbit. But first of all, on this screen we have various things and buttons that we can use. So up here along the top we've got these buttons here. The run will allow us to send our code to this digital version of the Microbit to test the code that we've written before we actually send it to our Microbit itself. If the Microbit is plugged into the computer via USB and we click on the compile button, any code down here that's been created in the code editor window will be sent to the Microbit to run on the Microbit itself. And we also have a convert button here that we can use to convert it into a different programming language. Over here we've got our menu of titles that we can use, various types of blocks. So if we go to the basics screen first of all, I'm just going to create a very simple script that I'd like you to recreate on your screen. You don't necessarily have to plug in your Microbit at this point, but you can if you like. We're going to have a forever block, which means anything inside the block will run forever so long as the Microbit has power. And we're going to show string and we're going to keep that at hello. So this is forever show string. String is just a piece of text on the Microbit screen and it wants to say hello. Alright, two options. We can run it and it will run on here, which is what we're going to do on this video, or if your Microbit's plugged in you can compile it and you can send it direct to the Microbit, which is something I'm going to show you how to do in a future video, but if you want to give it a go, by all means have a go. So I'm going to click run and as you see on the Microbit we now have our string streaming along the LCD screen. And as you can see, it's going to continue to run forever.